Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I'm going to mix up some colors here I don't normally use, and I don't know how this is going to come out, but I wanted to use this one paint that I mixed. This is made with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish with some Floetrol, and I added Pearl-X pigments to it to give it a pearly effect. And then I put some Golden Teal. I got this on sale half price at Jerry's Artorama, or I wouldn't have it. So this is what I have, and I don't know if it's really going to show up much as a pearl. It's fairly thin. The golden makes everything fairly thin. So, and I have some Liquitex Dioxizine purple mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. I'm going to have to thin it down a little bit because of that being so thin. So I hope I get these consistencies about right. This is silver that I get from Louisiana, and it's pretty thin, but it's not super thin. That golden paint kind of scares me. I'm afraid if I don't have most of my consistencies right, that it'll run all over the top of it or push the other paint around. You see what else I got sitting over here. This one's been mixed up for a week, so I don't even check to see what it is. It's pretty thin. Just adjusting here. It's probably boring for you all. Sorry about that. This is the new stuff that I'm finding in my Hobby Lobby. That is the Master's Touch, and this sells for I think $12 or $12.99, something like that. There's 16.9 ounces in it. It's thin. You use it 1-to-1 with your Floetrol instead of 1-to-2 Floetrol. But that's ocean green. I absolutely love that color. So I'm going to throw some of that in there. This is a 12 by 12 that is not a deep-sided canvas. And shouldn't need but about 5 ounces on this one. And I'm not decided yet what I'm going to do. I think I'm probably going to do a straight pour or multiple straight pours and see what I get. I just want to see how this paint right here, I mean, it should have some pearliness to it. Hopefully when it dries it'll show up. So I'm just going to dump some in a cup, I guess. That still seems thick. Put that silver next to that. The blue. Some of this ocean green. I love that color. I think that's so pretty. Some of this. Little bit more purple, not much. It's kind of thick, so it scares me. Some more silver. Maybe we'll get some contrast out of these colors though. So that should be more than enough paint. This is a 9-ounce cup, I think. So, looks pretty though. Let's see what happens. See if I'm in frame so you all can see good. Ooh. Ooh, look at that purple. I love the different ways you can pour them. To me, that's so much fun. Look at the cells already. That's amazing. Hope you all can see those. I'm thinking I see a little blobby place. Either that or it's a bubble right in there. Well, I think that purple was a good idea. Hope I don't lose it all, though. Maybe I should not have done that. I think I want to stretch out some of that green in the middle there, so it's like a big blob of it. Ooh, I'm liking this one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Woot, woot, as my daughter says. Or used to say when she was younger. I don't know if she still does it or not. She lives in Florida. I live in Tennessee. I don't get to see her very much at all. And I really miss that. You know how it is if you have kids that are out of state. She's lived everywhere and worked everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but not overseas. Just in the United States. She's a consultant, so she flies and travels a lot. Well, I'm excited. I'm officially excited. Oh, I love this. That purple down in here looks so pretty where it kind of blended. I love it in the middle. I love all the cell action that's natural type stuff, not silicone cells. And I love that dark area on that corner and the lines that I got. So, whoo, I'm happy with this one. I can't wait to take the camera down, show it to you. And then I want to see how it dries because I think this blue is what's right in here and right down in here. And I want to see if it sparkles. And there's some of it right in there too. So I will take the camera down. Hang on a second. Oh man, I'm really loving this one. Oh me, I love how the colors blended. That may be some silver right in there. I'm not sure. I think that's it. Right in that dark spot. And then the purple over here. And I love how it blended in this corner. And all those cells that popped up. Sorry about the light. And then up in here, it looks cloudy, skylight. I'm not wild about that place right there. But I may take my tweezers and try to blend it a little bit. But I love that dark corner on this too. Especially that dark right in the middle. That dioxazine purple did good. Right in there, I think, is some silver. So I'm real happy about that. I love this one. You all let me know what you think. Let me pick up this tweezers and see what happens here on this one. I think that's silver. See if I can break that up a little bit. I like that better. Not just a blob. All right, thank you for watching. Hang on and it'll be dry at the end of the video. Thank you.